Hello everyone. Being in the SEO and creating the strategy for the client is one of the most hectic job I ever come across. Myself Gautam Singh, founder and CMO at SEO Scientist, and I'm into the SEO from almost 5 years so far, and I have created hundreds of SEO strategy for our client. In this video, I'm going to share with you a template and a step-by-step process which you can use and create a basic growth SEO strategy for your client and close them. So let's get started. For your reference, I have already used one template which you can use. So from today, we are going to create a basic SEO strategy for this client Fit Gym Software. So you can see this client is right now into SaaS business and they provide gym softwares for the gym owners, right? So to begin with, I have already created one strategy for them. All right, so like this. So let me just showcase you first one by one. So in the first screen, I have created my first screen. Like so, the first screen begin with the index. What are the things client can expect in that particular strategy? So the number one, what are the campaign goals which we are setting? The low hanging fruits, which means the opportunities. What are the solution we are offering and our pricing plan, some of the expected result and the case studies. So to begin with, what are the campaign goals? The client should be know the campaign goals which we are planning to set. So the number one is increasing the organic visibilities and session in the website. Second, increasing conversion and visitor time on pages. Increasing customer lifetime value, decrease the bounce rate and the cost per acquisition cost, maximizing the page speed, strengthening the domain authority, improving the backlink strategy, and increasing the branded and non-branded traffic. So we have set these 8 important SEO goals which we are using while we are doing work for them. Now I have find out some of the opportunities where we can work. This is something which really help your client to build a trust upon you. So you can see that for that what you need to do is you need to move to the SEMrush. So even the free version provide this. So simply go to the SEMrush, put the domain which audit you want to go, do a domain overview and you will find that. So I believe you already aware within SEMrush. Here you can find out the authority score, the overall organic search. But what are the things you need to tell the client, because if you explain everything it would really become a little bit hectic. So the best way is try the basic. So you can see first I selected the last 1 year column and then I move on with this. So you can see right now client is ranking for almost 88 organic keywords, but there is a problem. Out of those 88 organic keywords, only 15 are ranking on the first page of Google. That means there are more than 70 plus keywords which need to be improved. So it's common sense. If you improve the position of those keywords, then it would be really easy for you to bring the traffic. So this is something which we call as a quick win. So here I mentioned currently 88 keywords in your website where at least 15 plus keyword is ranking in between 10 to 2 to 10 pages. Okay. So here it's not 15, it's 17. Let me just correct. It's 70 plus keywords which are ranking on Google with this, right? Okay. Now after telling you the client the opportunities and the problem which you found, you need to tell him the solution along with some of the social proof. So here is one of our client quickreply.ai. We have done audit for them, right? So we can improve the position of the keyword by simply doing some basic on page optimization, right? Like writing the new page title, improving the meta descriptions and many more. Moving forward, I have also ordered like branded versus non-branded traffic. So branded versus non-branded traffic is a kind of a traffic which a company, a domain is getting when the people is looking for that particular brand. So as you know that, like, branded traffic help them to close better deals, but the non-branded traffic help them to get more clicks within their website. What are the things we can do for them? You can showcase some short-term checklist which we are using. I have already using this checklist, so this is something which a client can understood. Okay, this is something they are using it. Now the website has a lot of technical error, so we are using some sort of a checklist, and I have already given the example of the another website which we are using. uh, Need an advanced content strategy. So I have quick audit the website and I found there are hardly 12 results present within the website. So and these pages are indexed on Google, but they are not bringing proper result. So what we need to do is we can create some hub and spoke model where we can kind of create some better piece of a content. We can focus on one particular topic and start creating subtopic on that. Now, after giving your all the opportunities and the strategy, the next phase is providing the things which you can offer to your client. Like, the first thing is we offer a complete comprehensive project plan, so the client can do a proper overview of his activities which he is doing. Right now, moving forward with this, we have also used in data driven SEO strategy. So there is an example which we had used for an e-commerce product page. We also create content on the basis of topical research for the content creation that will help customer to get more aware about with the things. And obviously, we SEO is not something which can bring a result immediately, so in order to do that we have to create consistent way of a content, and creating the content calendar is the best way for doing so. Obviously, we are using some of the premium tools. All these things which I just mentioned, it is something which we call as social proof for the client. We offer a monthly SEO reporting by integrating with Google Data Studio. Now, coming to the commercial part, we charges almost 35,000 retaining cost at SEO Scientist, right? Along with 3 months content agreement period. And some of the results which a client can expect is like, this is 3 months work, at least 25 to 60% traffic growth, 60 to 100% traffic growth, and like this. So at SEO Scientist, we have our own growth strategy framework. So what exactly does it mean? It means we are using a very simple framework which client can understand very easily. So it's divided into 5 phases. First is a learn phase, where we understand about the client project and we create a data. Then the improve phase, how we can improve the technical part of it and doing the keyword research and some sort of an on page. And then the build phase, like keyword research and the content strategy in that phase. And then the promote phase, like doing link strategy and link campaign. And then the reporting phase. Now, you can also add some of the case studies which you already have. So I have included all the case studies, and entire I have included my number. So in order to do this, you simply need to go this and create a import, make and copy and do an entire presentations. So you can copy this and then you can changes the things in it. Chalo. Thank you for your time.